We're about a week out from the new year, so I figured this week would be a good time to talk about goals and the common pitfalls to avoid so you don't end up hating yourself in 2021. So let's cut to the chase. My name is Chris Folea. I'm your stream scholar. Welcome to StreamSchool. Everyone has their own goals. I'm sure most of you probably want to hit certain follower numbers or even reach Twitch partner. And those goals are fine to have. Absolutely, I have them too. Originally, I even wanted to hit 10,000 YouTube subscribers on this channel by the end of the year. Hint, hint. But the problem with those kinds of goals is that they're reliant on other people and they're at least partially out of your control no matter what you do. So instead of relying on others, you should make goals that are attainable and completely dependent on you. For example, at the beginning of 2020, I made it my New Year's resolution to upload one new video every single week of 2020. And here we are, 1 week to go, and it feels great knowing that I achieved what I set out to do. And these goals don't have to be video related either. They could be anything, like saving up for new equipment, or putting together a cohesive stream design, or even just sticking to a consistent stream schedule. The important thing is that you make SMART goals, which conveniently is a simple acronym to remember. You want your goals to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. To put my goal to the test, I wanted to release one new video every single week of 2020. That's about as specific as it gets. It was measurable because I knew exactly how many videos I had to make. It was attainable because it was completely reliant on me putting in the work to get it done, and it was doable given my work schedule. Challenging, but doable. It was relevant because it directly affected my social media growth, and it was time-based because I had 1 week to make each video, with the end of the year being the finish line. The only pitfall was that there was no contingency plan. If I had gotten sick or missed even one video, I would have failed and I would have absolutely hated myself. So this week, I want you to take some time to write down some of your own SMART goals for 2021. And don't just commit them to memory, don't just think about them. Actually write them down and keep them somewhere accessible to keep yourself reminded. I'd even suggest hanging them on your wall. My goals for 2021 are to upload at least 45 videos to this channel. That gives me a few weeks off and extra time to push the quality. Upload at least one video to my other channel once a month, and to release my VR game Punch Bomb out of early access by the end of the year. So what are your goals for 2021? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't put yourself in a position where you're setting yourself up to fail. Make SMART goals. You don't want 2021 to feel worse than 2020. As always, if you found this video insightful, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below the video and ring the bell for new content every single week. And if you want to come hang out while I work on art or play games, I'm live at least every Friday at twitch.tv/oraclefishlive. Until next time, my name is Chris Folea, I'm your stream scholar, and class is out.